Ed? All right, so you see the whole Jeep rise and fall? Let's teach you a little bit about geometry. This is your drag link, this is your tie rod, this is your track bar back here. This bar and your track bar should be as close to the same angle and the same length as possible. Otherwise, you get what's called Bumpsteer. So you see how these ends, pretty much the same plane, and you got this one here and that one there. And when that's happening, that's what's causing the whole Jeep to go up and down.
I like boss. Yeah, I like those.